Hello and welcome back to the channel, to a very cold channel at the minute. I'm sat in the Vauxhall Corsa that you saw us doing the bumper repairs on the other day, and it's time for it to go for an MOT. Very cold morning, cold start. So I'm going to get it down the MOT station and I'm going to show you what we get as a result. So we'll follow that in just a sec. Right then, well, I'm back from the MOT and unfortunately it's a fail for our Vauxhall Corsa. This is my wife's car, so this is the black Vauxhall Corsa. Unfortunately, we've got a few things on the MOT fail sheet. I'll show you those right now so you can take a look over, and I think we need to work out what we're going to do. I think actually I'm going to get the MOT station to do the work. That's why I've just quickly come here to make the decision. But yeah, so I'm going to pass it back to the MOT station, and they're going to do a few of the jobs because they could be quite a pain. Let's go over the MOT sheet. Well, the first one on the list there, or the first two, position lamp not working, near side front and off side front. That's a bit annoying. I should have checked those, especially since we had the lights out when we were doing the work on the bumper and that kind of thing. So I should really have paid attention to that. My bad on that one. That's not too much of a problem. Exhaust has a major leak of exhaust gases central. Well, this one I've suspected has been a problem coming up very soon actually. I've heard it getting noisier and noisier, and I've thought it was around the flexi, because if you remember, we've done the rear section of the exhaust on the Corsas, but never the front. So that would be from the exhaust manifold down to the flexi, I suspect. That could be quite a job, because obviously it's the exhaust manifold, the bolts on those could be pretty tough. What else have we got next? Suspension arm, ball joint, excessively worn near side front. Now I have noticed that we are getting a bit of uneven wear on the tyres on the front, so that doesn't surprise me either actually. I've thought that one might be going for a while, but it hasn't made a lot of noise, which is interesting, until about 2 days before the MOT. My wife said it's starting to make a bit of a knock. So yeah, looks like that one's decided to go. That final item there, exhaust lambda reading outside limits, that'll just be because of the exhaust, so that'll disappear as well once we get the exhaust sorted. So off it goes back into the MOT bay, and we'll see what happens and what he comes back with. Okay, there's the good news. I'll show you. We've got a pass now, and we've got the car back home, and I'm going to show you what we've had done. So a couple of things that I knew needed done anyway. A couple of new front tyres, that's fair enough, knew that was going to need done. Now then, there was the ball joint, wasn't there, on the passenger side. That needed sorting. I don't know if the camera's going to be able to see or get in there, but we've got a new ball joint in place there, which is all good news. Now then, the exhaust. Let's take a look, because I was told this was quite a nasty job. The guy doing the work said there was quite a lot of really badly corroded bolts on the front. Now where? Right, okay, there we go. So you can see the new front section of the exhaust must have been the bolts here that were quite badly corroded, that took him a fair bit of work to get off. So at least they're sorted, and you can see nice shiny front midsection of the exhaust as well, so at least that's got done. I thought he said the manifold bolts, but no, it just looks like it's from the manifold downpipe on. So that's not as bad as I thought. Oh, actually, I can see the ball joint a little bit easier from this angle as well. You can see that's been changed down on that side. I wonder what the other side's like. The other side, well, it looks old and crusty, but it must be okay at the minute. So there we go. Of course, now I've looked, actually, the manifold that comes out of the engine actually also has the cat on this car attached, and it didn't need any of that replacing, I'm pleased to say, because that would have been an expensive job. That's not so bad at all, really. Everything else, clean bill of health afterwards. You can see no advisories on the MOT, which is great news. Means that we can keep the Corsa going for another year. It is very cold out here at the minute, so I'm not going to spend too long wrapping this video up. Please do like and subscribe. More videos coming very soon. I am trying to do some more videos, but it is very cold here in the UK, and it's not really encouraging me to come out and do much work. We really need to get work on our Volvo 480. I've got a mission this year. We've got to get this MOT'd and up and running, but it's just so cold out here, I'm not getting far. Please do subscribe. Some more videos coming up very soon indeed, and I'll see you next time.